Hello, my fashion A-stars. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the place where your real-life celebrities get real and answer some fun fashion questions. My guest today is what you call a star kid, but doesn't want to become an actor. It's Alia Kashyap. Hi, Alia. Welcome.
Hello.
I love the fact that you're in all black. Me too.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Alia, I'm going to be asking a set of fashion questions for you.
Okay.
Because you're so fashionable today.
Okay.
And always.
Okay.
What is the favorite item in your closet?
These leather pants.
Are they new?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where are they from?
Motel Rocks. This is a British brand.
Fab. Well,
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Your last fashion purchase, what is that?
I bought just a cute bikini and stuff like that for summer. Not that I'm gonna go anywhere, but you know, feels good to have.
Wear it for the haters.
Yeah.
What's your favorite style of footwear?
Sneakers.
Why?
Yeah.
Because
Just it's comfy and there's so many options.
Today heels
Yeah,
are
today's heels I want to be taller.
Huh.
But otherwise it's on a daily basis sneakers.
sneakers.
Because it's just comfy and there's so many different types you can wear with
That's true.
everything.
Do you get those the chunky ones?
No, I don't like the chunky ones.
Who's the celebrity whose wardrobe that you want to steal?
Sonam Kapoor.
That is true. That
I
is true.
love her fashion
Yeah.
sense. It's
And you can
insane.
also just adopt Ria
Yeah,
and have the stylist in house.
exactly.
Too. Yeah.
Exactly.
Very true. What is one trend that every girl should try once, according to you?
Like Prince. I feel like people don't give that much importance. Everyone just wears plain clothes. I feel like Prince is fun. Like
It
a
is.
bright, cool print.
I think Ranveer has been doing it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Alia.
Thank
You did
you.
a great job.
Thank you. Bye.
Hope you guys had fun. Like they say, life is too short to wear boring clothes. So stay stylish and keep watching Candid Corner. Hello, my fashion A-stars. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the place where your real-life celebrities get real and answer some fun fashion questions. My guest today is one of my favorite Gen Z content creators. Please welcome Ashna Sule. Hi, Ashna.
Hi.
You look wonderful.
Thank you.
I want to ask you these fun, fashion-related questions because you're so fashionable and loving and caring and fun.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Ashna, what is one trend that every girl should try once?
Like a crop top and jeans. I guess, and sneakers. I'm wearing right now.
Which is one color that you've been obsessed with lately?
Baby pink. And always, just like I love baby pink.
Is baby pink and mauve very close to each other? Little bit.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm obsessed with mauve these days.
Yeah.
I have too many elements of mauve in my bedroom.
Yeah.
What is your favorite style of footwear?
Sneakers. Because
What
they're
about-
comfy and they're also stylish.
You don't like heels though?
I like how they look on other people. I also like how they look on me, but I'm just not too comfortable.
Fair. Totes or sling bags if you had to pick between one?
Totes.
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 What is your enmity with sling bags?
I don't know, it's just long. I don't like long. It's when you walk, it keeps slapping
Really?
on your, yeah.
Skirts or shorts?
Shorts.
Why?
Because they're more comfortable.
Skirts are too long.
No. Because skirts you have to make sure you're sitting properly and stuff. Shorts you can just sit.
Spread across.
Yeah, exactly. Be comfortable.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Thank you so much, Ashna. This is a lovely conversation. I enjoyed it very much.
Me too.
You can look at the camera and say,
Bye. Thank you.
I hope you guys had fun. In the words of Audrey Hepburn, life is a party, so dress like it. Keep staying stylish and keep watching Candid Corner. Hello, my fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the place where your favorite real-life celebrities become super real and answer some fun fashion fitness related questions. My guest today is an actor, creator. Please welcome Parul Gulati. Hi Parul, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Very well, welcome.
Thank you so
You're
much.
looking wonderful.
So are you?
We're coordinating today, twinning,
Yes.
like they say. Listen, because you're looking so wonderful today, I want to ask you a few fashion-related questions, okay?
Okay.
What is your go-to hair accessory?
Just will be a scrunchie, I think, because I just like to at times just tie my hair up.
How many do you have? Do you have a collection?
I have more of hair clips
Huh.
than scrunchies.
Scrunchies. Okay.
Yeah.
What is your favorite everyday footwear?
Mules, flats.
Okay.
I actually, before 2020, I had bought lots of heels.
Yeah.
Because I knew my 4-5 shows were releasing and I was like, I'll go for promotions. I
Correct.
need new heels.
Yeah.
And then 2020 hit us like a truck.
What are 3 tips according to you to get a quick hair makeover for a date night?
first of all, just wash your hair.
Yes.
That's the best
Very
thing.
important.
Because sometimes your hair texture is really beautiful and you don't have to do a makeover.
Yeah.
Bangs can like quickly change, so
Yeah.
clip-in bangs.
Yeah.
And then extensions.
Of course,
Of
which is your
course.
company also. You have your extensions entrepreneurship, which
Yeah.
is doing very well. Congratulations on
Thank
that.
you.
What is the most expensive shoe that you own?
I'll tell you one funny story on this. So I love Evil Eye, so I made my own Evil Eye company also.
Oh, fan.
And I made Evil Eye mules. That's what I wear.
Yeah.
But मैंने कुछ लाखों के बनवा लिए, वो बिक नहीं रहे.
Thank you, Parul. I love these fashion takes of yours.
Thank you for watching it, guys.
Hello, my fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Candid Corner. This is the space where your real-life celebrities become super real and answer some fun fashion questions. My guest today is a phenomenal dancer and a beautiful human being at it. It's Nicole from Team Nach. Hi, Nicole. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good. I love this hot pink with a
I know, right?
gap of white situation. Looking stunning.
Thank you so much.
Which is why I must ask you some fashion-related queries of mine.
Oh, let's go.
What is one fashion item or trend that makes you cringe?
I don't like peplums.
What is that?
What is that? You know that?
Like a palazzo?
No, you know, it's this top which has that little
Got it.
that.
Huh.
I mean, although I used to own a few back in the day, but now if I see it, it's like. You
Fair
know
enough.
what I mean?
Got it.
Yeah.
Repulsive. What is your go-to desi outfit?
I would love like a anarkali. You know, like a
Like a
long
mastani.
sleeve, like a mastani.
Biker shorts or basketball shorts? Which ones you pick?
Basketball shorts.
Why is that? What
More
is this
comfortable.
enmity towards?
No enmity. I just think basketball shorts have like more breathing space, like, you know.
So just an innovative, why don't you suggest an innovative way to style basic blue ripped denim?
Basic blue ripped denim with a sari,
Ooh,
like, you know, the dupatta.
correct. Like in that
a-
song
Which song?
where she's wearing the, you know, that wedding song where she's wearing that one wedding blouse and ripped denim.
Yeah, maybe something like that, but with
Twist
the,
or something. That's
you know, with like pleats and like maybe like a sari or
fab,
something.
fab. I love that.
Something is coming into my head. Whatever.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well done, I
Thank
must
you very
say.
much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Like Ralph Lauren said, each day is an occasion to reinvent oneself. Keep on watching Candid Corner.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.